Hi, hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will see the most common type of numericals in SHM. Okay, this is the first numerical. Acceleration and displacement graph tan theta is given. Okay, so acceleration is minus omega square x. So if acceleration is taken along y axis and displacement along x axis, so y is equal to mx. So if I compare, slope is equal to omega square. Okay, so slope value is given as, slope is nothing but tan theta, which is 8. So 8 is equal to omega square. 8 is equal to frequency they are asking, so 2 pi f the whole square. So 8 is equal to 4 pi square f square. So f is equal to root 2 divided by pi per second. This is the frequency, and this is the acceleration versus x graph. So this graph they ask directly. So acceleration is equal to minus omega square x. Acceleration is proportional to minus x. So this graph, this is the graph for acceleration versus displacement in SHM. Now let us see the next numerical. X is equal to alpha sine omega t plus beta sine omega t. What is the amplitude? This, if you have seen my previous video, I would have directly said that the displacement, sorry, the amplitude is root of squares which is along the sine and cos function, sine function and cos function. So alpha square plus beta square. Suppose if x is equal to, they have given gamma plus alpha sine omega t plus beta cos omega t, then display amplitude is nothing but square root of only the function which is along sine and cos. So alpha square plus beta square. Okay, we are not taking gamma. And let us see the next numerical. Maximum velocity, they have given displacement versus time graph. You see that the function varies between 10 to minus 10. So the maximum value is 10. So this is the maximum value, maximum amplitude. Then you see that from here till here it is completing one complete oscillation. So time taken to complete one oscillation is the time period, and we can see the find out the time with the graph. See that from 0 seconds it is taking 4 seconds to complete one oscillation. So 4 seconds. Velocity, maximum velocity is omega a. Omega is 2 pi divided by t, that is 4 seconds into a, so which is 5 pi ms per minus 1. Now let us work out the next numerical. See, the potential energy equation is given as U is equal to x minus 2 the whole square minus 10 joules. Total energy is given as 26 joule. Maximum velocity they are asking. The previous video of energy in SHM, I have said that total energy is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy, that is equal to maximum value of kinetic energy plus minimum value of potential energy, that is also equal to total energy I told. So we have given that U is equal to x minus 2 the whole square minus 10. So when will be the potential energy is minimum? When x is equal to 2. Okay, if you substitute x is equal to 2, then potential energy will be minimum, that is potential energy is minus 10 joule. So total energy is 26 joule, that is equal to maximum value of kinetic energy plus minimum value of potential energy. So maximum value of kinetic energy comes out to be 36 joule. So kinetic energy is nothing but 1 by 2 m velocity maximum the whole square is 36 joule. Mass is given as, okay, suppose let the mass be 2 joules. Okay, here I forgot to give the mass. If mass is 2 joule, then 2 and 2 get cancelled, and velocity maximum is 6 ms per minus 1. So to get this velocity as maximum, I have used kinetic energy as maximum and potential energy as minimum. Next numerical, a spring. This numerical we see last. This is the next common type of numerical. Mass is as 1 kg, potential energy equation is given, time period they are asking. Most common type of numerical. So potential energy is 5 minus 5 cos 3x. we know that force is equal to minus du by dx. So if you differentiate this thing, differentiation of phi is 0 minus phi into cos 3x differentiation. Cos 3x differentiation is minus sin 3x, then this 3x differentiation, which is 3. Okay, so which is minus 15 plus 15 sin 3x. Let us take sin 3x is approximately equal to 3x. So for this type of numericals, you want to use this concept. This is the most important point you must remember. So force is equal to 15 into 3x. So 15 into 3x is there. Force formula, we know that it is m omega square x, that is equal to 15 into 3 into x. So x and x get cancelled. Mass is 1 kg. So omega square is equal to 45. So 4 pi square divided by t square is equal to 45. So t square is equal to 4 pi square divided by 45, and t is equal to 2 pi divided by root of 45. So in this way you have to work out this type of numerical. Let us see the next numerical. See that the spring, it has time period t1 if it is going with the spring t1. If it is connected with the another spring, it has the time period t2. So for first spring, it has time period t1 for the same mass. So my m by k1 for the first spring. For the second spring, it is t is equal to 2 pi root of m divided by k2. Springs are connected in parallel. So parallel formula is k1 plus k2 for spring constant, equivalent spring constant. So k equivalent. So we see that from here I am bringing the k, I am taking the k1 value. Root of k1 is equal to 2 pi root m divided by t1. So k1 is equal to 4 pi square m divided by t1. I am squaring it. So which is 4 pi square m divided by t1 plus 4 pi square m divided by t2. That is equal to, what is the time period t if it is connected parallel? That is 4 pi square m divided by t. Okay, so 4 pi square m, 4 pi square m, 4 pi square m get cancelled. T1 square, sorry, T1 square. So t square, t square, t square. So t power minus 2 is equal to t1 power minus 2 plus t2 power minus 2. This is the previous year AIPMT question. So you must remember this concept. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.